What's up, guys? Alec here. Hope you're all having a great day. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I wanted to break down to the nuts and bolts from the top to the bottom how to create a $1 million business on Amazon. Now, when you guys hear that, and when I first heard it in the beginning, I kind of was a little skeptical, and you guys probably are too. It seems like crazy. You don't hear those numbers every day, and if you're in a typical job, I mean, you're not used to those types of numbers. But you're probably thinking, how can I possibly create $1 million business on Amazon? Is it even possible? And a lot of the times now, you're hearing people doing this all the time. You're hearing people making crazy numbers with e-commerce and all these other different income streams. But I want to break down to you step by step how you could possibly create a business like this yourself and kind of look at it from a different angle. So I want to show you that it's completely possible, and if you set your mind to this, you could absolutely do it. It's all a mindset, and you just have to be willing to learn the skills and figure out this business model and how to attack it. And I 100% believe that anybody could do this if they put their mind to it. So I just want to go through a few things and break it down for you guys today. And this is not a myth. People aren't bragging or making up these numbers. Yes, people are making these types of numbers every day and every year on Amazon. So how to create $1 million per year business on Amazon. So what you guys are going to be doing is through Amazon FBA. If you're new to this channel, all I speak about is Amazon FBA, and I break everything down, all the tactics and all the things you need to learn from my experience, and I'm sharing that with you guys. So you're going to need to create a portfolio of products. And, it doesn't have to be a crazy amount of products. It could be 10 products, 8 products, and I'll go into that a little bit more in detail. But in the general scheme of things, you want to create a portfolio of products around a niche that you want to start. So you create one product and then you just build on it and expand. So create a portfolio of products that generates $1 million per sales, comes all down to numbers. You break it down, and I want to show you guys that if you're starting this and you're looking at it from the bottom and looking up, it can kind of be a little intimidating at first. And like I said, you're probably kind of confused on how you could possibly even make this work, and how to even $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 a year, all the way up to $1 million. Like I said, it's all up to you and your drive to figure this out, figure out every aspect of it, and just go head on and create a business like this. So if you look from the top down, a high level, you can break this down into simple numbers, and I'm going to show that to you right now. So take a step back and look at it how it's broken down, and it's much simpler than many people think. People think that this is some crazy thing to do, and meanwhile, there are people every day doing this. And the thing about Amazon FBA is once you have your product set up, it does not take much time at all to maintain. You just do some minor maintenance from a high level, tweaking, restocking inventory, and that's pretty much it. You are free to travel. You're not locked to a desk or have a boss telling you what to do. You could do whatever you want. This is your business, and this is what entrepreneurship is. You're creating your lifestyle the way you want it. So here's how to do this. So $1 million per year divided by 365 days in a year comes down to $2,739.72 per day. So when you look at it that way, it's not too bad. $27.39.72 divided by, on average, your products, you want to have them in the $20 range. And guys, keep in mind that I'm giving you averages here. They can fluctuate. It can be a little under, a little over. So these are just averages. So divided by $20 average product cost per day equals 136 sales per day. So that kind of doesn't seem as bad as you would think. So 136 sales per day. How are you going to even attempt to do that? Usually, we want to go after products that have high demand. We're not going to go after products that only sell 2 products per day. We want products that are selling high numbers and have high demand per day. So one product will bring in, on average, 20 sales per day. So you could see 20 sales per day times 30 days, that's 600 sales per month. So you could kind of see automatically if you start stacking these products on top of each other, the magnitude that you can get with this business model. So 20 sales per day on average, so it's 136 sales per day, which we need, divided by 20. So that breaks down to 7 products you need in your Amazon portfolio and your brand. So like I always preach on my channel, you want to build a brand and you want to build a viable company out of this. I don't like selling random stuff. I like creating a business, and you could take it elsewhere and you could do external marketing and all this other stuff, fancy stuff. But in the beginning, you're just watching this channel, you're just watching this video, you're probably, you're curious to see what this is all about. And from the title of this video, you're like, how can I make $1 million per year? It's possible. You just have to have the absolute willingness to figure this out and go all in on it. And I teach a ton of free stuff on my channel. If you're interested, subscribe to the channel. I'm constantly putting out videos, tips about Amazon FBA, passive income, and just living the freedom lifestyle and creating the lifestyle of your dreams. So that's basically the breakdown of products per day and per month that you have to aim for if you want to create a $1 million business on selling through Amazon. And I say selling through Amazon because you're doing something much more than creating an Amazon business. I don't like to think of it that way. You're creating a company that you're proud of. It's something that you own, and someday you could take it off Amazon, kind of do like fulfillment through other things. There's so many more options with this, but you guys are new. Best way to do this is look at it from the top down and start one product by one product and just keep adding to the portfolio. Get your feet wet, figure this out. And I teach my students to do it this way, and I highly recommend you all look at it this way. So 7 products, it's not too bad when you think about it. If you release a product a month, you could have up to that amount of products within a year. Another thing that I teach is the 10 by 10 by 1 rule. Now what this is, you can look at it this way, and so you could look at it this way, and basically one product at 10 sales per day, and I say around $10 profit you want to aim for, could be a little more, a little less, and that equals $100 in profit per day, or $3,000 per month, or $36,000 per year. So at $36,000 per year passively, you might not believe it, but it's completely possible to do, and many of you can quit your job at that point, because $36,000 per year is a good portion of money. Or you could do this on the side and continue your 9-to-5 job if you so please to do that. I mean, you could do whatever you want, but if you're looking to take this to the next level and continue to grow this and create something big and scalable out of this, then you keep building and you keep launching products and you keep going. So 2 products a day at 2 products at 10 sales per day at $10 profit equals $200 in profit per day, or $6,000 per month, or $72,000 per year. So that's only with 2 products, and like I said, this is average, give or take. So at 5 products, which is really not that many, once you prove the process once, you could duplicate this as many times as you want. But you don't want to get too crazy with it. You want to keep it within the means of what you can control. So 5 products at 10 sales per day at $10 profit equals $500 per day, or $15,000 per month, or $180,000 per year. So guys, that's $180,000 per year. That's an absolutely insane number. Many people don't even make that in their 9-to-5 job, and this is just about as passive as it comes. And I really don't like to say the word passive because it kind of has like it can have like a scammy or spammy meaning attached to it, but when I say it's pretty passive, it really is. I mean, there's not much to do once all the work is front loaded with Amazon FBA. You put in all the work up front, you figure out the products you want to go after, and you analyze everything up front. So after that, it's just pretty much maintaining your listings and your business and replenishing inventory every few weeks or whenever you need. So, I mean, that is the breakdown, and it might not even take 5 products. Some people, it takes 2-3 products to get there. Some products sell close to 40 to 50 per day. So you could see how things can fluctuate and it's not always identical. But here is the average I just gave you of what you're looking at for if you want to build $1 million per year business. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm constantly putting out videos about Amazon FBA, freedom, lifestyle, and living the life of your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm constantly releasing new videos about Amazon FBA, so don't miss a thing and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.